Hello! In this video we'll take a look at installing MythTV version 35, which is the current stable version. We're going to install this on Ubuntu 24.04, and if you've never installed Ubuntu before, there is an official tutorial available here at this web address. We're going to be using MythUbuntu control panel, and what I'll do in this video is just show the steps needed to install MythTV. And for my specific hardware, which is a Magewell Pro Capture card, and I have Intel graphics, what I'll do is include a blog post at this web address here, and I will go over the specific steps that I use to install the additional software and configure the system and MythTV for this hardware. Okay, let's get started here. We're going to head over to this wiki page for MythUbuntu control panel. We're going to first install MythUbuntu control panel by adding the PPA. I'm going to start a terminal. Type in your password and hit enter. Okay. Gonna do apt-get update. Okay, we're going to install MythUbuntu control panel. Okay, done with the terminal. We're going to exit out of here. Okay, we're going to start MCP. We're going to go over to repositories and select activate repository. And this is the PPA that is commonly seen on the MythTV forum and mailing list. We're going to select version 35 and click apply. Okay, we're going to quit MCP. We're going to start software updater just to check to see if there's any updates available, which there's not, so I'm going to head back in to MCP. Repository's done. Go to system roles. For my computer, this is going to be a combined back end and a front end. I'm going to have this do both, and I'm also going to have additional front ends in my home to play content from this back end. XML TV, that's going to be needed if you're using Schedules Direct for your guide data. SSH, that's optional if you want to enable SSH. HD Home Run, these are optional if you want to use an HD Home Run product. I'm going to be using Magewell, so I'm not going to be installing that additional software. So we're going to hit apply here. This is going to automatically also install the MySQL software. So when you get this prompt, what you want to hear is check that and allow other computers to access MythTV. Okay, so you want to let that run. That'll take a couple minutes. When that installs and closes, you can see here the repository is set. MythTV is installed, and that takes care of installing MythTV, the back end and front end. And what I'll do is include the setup in my blog post, and I will also show the additional steps that are needed for the specific hardware that I'm using. That's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.